Hello, I'm Moritz. I'm CEO and co-founder of InFlight VR, and we bring virtual reality as a technology on board of airplanes for the entertainment of the passenger and for ancillary revenue options for the airline.
Hello, I'm Dan, Director of Operations, and right now InFlight VR is starting a couple of projects with different airlines, so we're very happy to be implementing the project as we speak.
How can we contact you?
You can contact us through email, moritz@inflight-vr.com. And one last word to Bizlab, because we're here at the Airbus premises. We used Bizlab to accelerate our business and to really get into this strong and difficult industry to enter, so it was a great experience. This is the last word.
My name is Ram. I'm the co-founder of Zasti. Zasti in Sanskrit means predict. And that's the business we are in. We are an AI platform that helps you predict risks. This is the question, as co-founders, we asked ourselves 3 years back. Do we want to build one algorithm that solves one problem, or build an AI platform that solves many problems? So, we focused on two data sets, visuals and numbers. And I can tell you, these two data sets can solve more than 50% of aviation problems. So we went back to our alma mater, Indian Institute of Technology. For some of you who are not aware of IIT, that's the ecosystem that produced Sundar Pichai, the Google CEO. So we spent 100,000 hours, close to 2 years, building and fine-tuning our platform and validating it with 50 years of research from the scientists of IIT. And we launched it in healthcare. Do you know how long it takes for a doctor to diagnose somebody is going blind? It takes 10 to 12 days. With our algorithm, they can do it in 5 seconds. That's the platform we took and validated across 4 different verticals. But today, I'm going to talk to you about our journey in aviation and with the fantastic Airbus Bizlab. Do you guys see a problem with this image? Don't tell me too many aircraft, because that's a good problem. Aircrafts on the ground cost airline insurers more than $5 billion a year. And that's the problem we wanted to help solve. So we partnered with some of the internal teams in Airbus and Bizlab and used one of the most basic equipment in the industry, CCTV cameras, and used the video feeds to solve problems like, can I predict a person of interest who's sitting in the aircraft so that it doesn't get delayed? Or when an aircraft comes to the gate, is there a probability of collision? Or where is this aircraft in the entire airport? We are also working with 2 airlines and a top insurer in predicting flight delays for the next 12 months.
Ram, what is artificial intelligence? Can you define it?
Sure. Artificial intelligence is, in fact, I can define what is not so that it's easier. Anything that follows rules and doesn't learn on its own, that is not artificial intelligence. Because it's very clear, if A happens, do this. If B happens, that's rule. Artificial intelligence works outside the rules, like humans, right? I mean, if we know, we go to a place and there's a roadblock, immediately we can find 100 different ways. We're not stuck there. Computer will be stuck if there's a roadblock, and artificial intelligence will find 100 new ways to go past that roadblock. So that's the difference between AI and a non-AI system.
Okay. And for aerospace, what are your products?
So we have 2 products. One is on predictive maintenance, where based on sensor data, we look at when a component in an aircraft is going to fail. So that means we can save flights from getting delayed. That's one. Second is we use infrastructure which is available everywhere, which is CCTV or cameras. We use the data from that to identify things like when an aircraft comes in and another aircraft comes, is there a possibility of collision, right? Or looking at people walking in an airport, is there a person of interest walking in who shouldn't be there, right? So we can use CCTV cameras to identify multiple and solve multiple problems. In fact, we call it as augmented intelligence. What we are actually doing is we are augmenting human intelligence. We are not replacing humans, we are helping them to be better.